Welcome to the LED Express Setup tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with your LED sign. You'll learn how to download and install the software, connect your sign, add content for playback, and adjust important settings like brightness and power. Let's dive in and get your LED sign up and running. Section 1. Let's download the LED Express software. Step 1. Finding the software. Visit our website at ledsigncity.com. Head over to the support desk. Look for Getting Started and click on Setting Up Your Sign. Scroll down and select LED Sign Software. Click on LED Car Top Signs and then choose Connect the sign to your PC. Step 2. Choosing the right version. Download the version that matches your operating system. For Mac users, select the Mac OS option. For Windows users, select the PC option. Click Download. If prompted, confirm by clicking Download again. Step 3. Managing security warnings. Some browsers might display a warning about the file being risky because it's a .exe file. Click the three dots next to the warning and select Keep. Confirm your choice by clicking Keep anyway. Step 4. Opening the file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your browser or Downloads folder. Double-click to open it and start the installation process. Section 2. Installing LED Express made simple. Step 1. Granting access. When prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your PC. Step 2. Following the installation wizard. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Select your preferred language, for example English, and click OK. Keep the box checked to create a desktop shortcut for easier access. Click Next and then select Install to begin. Step 3. Finishing up. When the installation completes, leave the box checked to launch LED Express immediately. Click Finish and you're all set. Section 3. Connecting to your sign. Getting your sign online. Turn on your LED sign. Open your computer's Wi-Fi network. Look for the network with Y5A followed by numbers. This is your sign's serial number. Select the network name and enter the default password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2. Checking the connection in LED Express. Open the LED Express software. Go to the terminal page. Confirm the following details. Screen ID matches the SSID from the Wi-Fi network. Status shows a green icon, meaning the sign is online. Verify that additional information is displayed, such as the IP address, screen size, and brightness display. Step 3. Taking a quick screenshot. Use the screenshot tool in the terminal page to see what's currently playing on your sign. Verify that your sign is ready for content. Section 4. Adding content and getting it on your LED sign. Step 1. Setting up a new solution. Go to the Solution tab in LED Express. Click New Solution. Enter your sign's resolution, for example, 384 by 128 for the Elite series or 512 by 128 for the Elite XL series. Give your solution a name, for example, Demo Ad 1. Click OK and start creating. Step 2. There are two ways to add content. 1. For sequential playback, use the multi-material window. Add multiple files like images or videos. These files will play one after another. Use the media list to arrange the playback order. For slides combining multiple files, use the options from the navigation bar. Add and layer text, images, or videos together. This allows you to create a single slide with multiple elements visible at once. Step 3. Sending your content to the sign. When you're ready, click Publish. Select your sign from the list and confirm by checking the box. Click Publish again and watch the progress bar until it reaches 100%. Use the screenshot tool on the terminal page to verify the uploaded content. Section 5. Exploring the Terminal Control Page. The Terminal Control Page is where you manage your sign's key settings and get a detailed overview of its operation. Here are some of the things you can do on the Terminal Control Page. 1. On the Brightness Settings tab, you can adjust the brightness manually or put it on a schedule. 2. Under Power Control, you can turn the screen on or off without physically powering down the sign. Remember, if the vehicle will be off for an extended period, always use the physical button to completely cut the power and avoid draining your battery. 3. On the Network Settings tab, you will have access to the Wi-Fi and Ethernet operations, but avoid making changes until reviewing the Networking section. You will also have access to other features such as managing the sign's date and time settings. With the Terminal Control Page, you have everything you need to manage your sign's functionality and keep it running smoothly. And that's it. You've learned how to download and install LED Express, connect your sign and check its status, add and publish content, whether for sequential playback or for layered slides, adjust brightness, power, and network settings. For more tips or assistance, visit our website at ledsigncity.com. Thank you for choosing LED Sign City, the beautiful sign people.